Most campervans under 3.5 tons force you to compromise. You lose space. You lose storage. Or you lose the freedom to travel off-grid without stress. But what if a campervan could give you a proper lounge, real storage, and true off-grid capability without feeling cramped or overweight? This isn't a flashy Instagram build. This isn't a weekend-only toy. This is the 2026 AutoTrail V-Line 635 Sport, a campervan designed for couples who actually travel, live on the road, and use their van for more than just photos. This campervan delivers something many compact vans promise, but very few actually achieve: a genuinely comfortable living space, serious storage, and dependable off-grid performance, all while staying under the critical 3.5-ton limit. The AutoTrail V-Line 635 Sport is a purpose-built two-berth camper, created specifically for couples who spend extended time traveling, carry outdoor gear, and want a van that works in real-world conditions, not just in a showroom. The van is built on the long-wheelbase Fiat Ducato, powered by the latest 2.2-liter Multijet diesel engine, producing 140 horsepower as standard. Buyers can choose between a 6-speed manual gearbox or an 8-speed automatic transmission. For most touring scenarios, the automatic option makes a lot of sense. It reduces driver fatigue on long motorway days, handles traffic smoothly, and makes city driving far more relaxed. Despite being a fully equipped premium conversion, the V-Line 635 Sport remains under 3,500 kilograms, meaning it can be driven on a standard UK Category B license. That alone makes it accessible to a much wider range of buyers. Payload capacity sits at around 410 to 425 kilograms, which is solid considering the equipment level and build quality. In terms of dimensions, the van measures approximately 6.36 meters in length, 2.27 meters in width, and around 2.68 meters in height. This places it in a very usable middle ground. It's long enough to support a proper rear lounge and generous storage, but still compact enough to feel manageable on narrow roads, busy campsites, and urban environments where larger motorhomes quickly become a liability. Before you even step inside, the exterior design already sets the tone. This isn't a basic panel van conversion. The Sport rear styling panel gives the V-Line a modern, confident look without going overboard. More importantly, AutoTrail has included a gas-strut assisted rear boot, allowing easy external access to the storage area. This is a huge benefit for anyone carrying bikes, outdoor chairs, leveling blocks, hoses, or muddy gear that you don't want dragged through the living space. On the roof, the Panoview panoramic skylight plays a key role in how the van feels inside. It allows natural light to flood into the cab and lounge area, making the interior feel brighter and more open, especially during dull weather or winter travel. Paired with the 16-inch black diamond-cut alloy wheels, the V-Line 635 Sport has a sporty but refined stance that feels modern without trying too hard. Energy independence is clearly a priority here. A 200-watt solar panel comes fitted as standard, providing enough power to comfortably support lighting, device charging, and day-to-day living while camping off-grid. The van also features a 25-liter underslung LPG gas tank, which removes the hassle of swapping gas bottles and frees up valuable internal storage space. Step inside, and the heart of the V-Line 635 Sport becomes obvious. The rear lounge is the standout feature of this layout. It's a U-shaped, triple-aspect lounge, meaning windows on multiple sides provide excellent airflow, wide views, and a genuinely open feel. This isn't a narrow bench setup where you constantly feel restricted. Two people can relax, stretch out, eat, work, or unwind comfortably without constantly rearranging cushions. At night, the rear lounge converts into either two single beds or one large double bed, giving couples flexibility depending on how they prefer to sleep. Some nights you might want a spacious double, while on others, single beds make it easier to get in and out without disturbing your partner. The bed conversion is simple and logical, and the cushions offer proper support for a good night's sleep. For 2026, AutoTrail has refreshed the interior with the San Marco wood finish, which adds warmth and a more premium feel throughout the living space. It avoids the cold, commercial look that many van conversions suffer from. Combined with well-placed ambient lighting, the interior feels modern, comfortable, and well thought out. Moving forward, the kitchen on the near side is one of the strongest kitchens you'll find in a camper van of this size. AutoTrail hasn't cut corners here. You get a 3-burner gas hob, which already puts it ahead of many competitors that settle for 2 burners. There's also a combined oven and grill, and for 2026, The microwave has been repositioned to improve usability and free up more worktop space. The fridge is a 12-volt compressor unit with a freezer compartment, and this is an important choice. Compressor fridges cool faster, perform better in hot climates, and are far more reliable for off-grid travel compared to absorption fridges. An extending worktop adds extra preparation space when needed and folds away neatly to keep the walkway clear. Opposite the kitchen is the washroom, designed with space efficiency in mind. It's a wet room layout featuring a cassette toilet, shower, and a fold-down sink. When the sink is folded away, it creates more usable shower space, making daily use far more comfortable. While it's not hotel-sized, it's very well executed for a van conversion. Heating and hot water are handled by a chassis-mounted whale-blown air system, delivering even heat distribution and reliable hot water. Mounting the system externally also saves interior space and improves weight balance. Up front, technology is modern and practical. A Pioneer 9-inch EVO 950DB touchscreen system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto comes as standard, along with a reversing camera that makes parking and maneuvering much easier. In the living area, an Avtech Smart TV is included, ideal for longer stays or bad weather days. Control systems have been upgraded for 2026 with a 7-inch central touchscreen panel, allowing easy control of lighting, water levels, and system monitoring from one place. One of the most useful updates for 2026 is the expanded rear garage, now featuring 2 dedicated storage pods. This makes organizing gear far easier and avoids the problem of one large, cluttered storage space. So who is this van really for? The answer is clear. This is not a family camper, and it doesn't pretend to be. The V-Line 635 Sport is built for active couples who value comfort, quality, and flexibility. It's ideal for cyclists, hikers, long-distance travelers, and people who spend weeks or months on the road. On the road, the Fiat Ducato platform is proven and comfortable. The 140 horsepower engine is more than capable for motorway cruising and mountain driving, and the automatic gearbox makes long journeys less tiring. In real-world use, the combination of solar power, LPG tank, compressor fridge, and efficient heating makes this van genuinely capable of extended off-grid travel. To sum it up honestly, the 2026 AutoTrail V-Line 635 Sport is a premium camper van focused on real usability rather than marketing hype. It's compact yet comfortable, sporty without being impractical, and packed with features that genuinely matter when you live on the road. If this breakdown helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest campervan and RV content, and let me know in the comments. Would you choose the rear lounge with single beds, or the large double? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.